made of clay. This is from the lesson Pandora's box. If you recall, you'll get the answer directly. So who breathed the life into the girl made of clay? Goddess Athene. Make sure you are thorough with the spellings. If one letter if you miss, the whole answer will be wrong. Thanks children. So the answer is Goddess Athene. Second question, what did Zeus give them as a wedding gift? So who is Zeus here? Greek god. What he gave them as a wedding gift, children? A beautifully carved box. A beautifully carved box. The wedding gift given to them was a beautifully carved box. Why did the dentist choose the longest probe? This is from the Pope, the dentist and the crocodile. So, why did the dentist choose the longest probe, children? Because he wanted to be as far as possible from the crocodile. Why did the dentist choose the longest probe, children? The dentist chose the longest probe because he wanted to be as far as possible from the crocodile. If we go near to the crocodile can easily catch him. He can eat him up. Because of that, he chose the longest probe. The fourth question, what did Alice see when she reached the bottom of the well? So, when Alice reached the bottom of the well, what she saw, children? She saw a white rabbit hurrying down it. She saw the white rabbit hurrying down it. What did Alice see when she reached the bottom of the well? Alice saw the white rabbit hurrying down it. So this was the answer for the question, fourth one. Next, we are going to see about the fifth question, children. Who did the elephant's child meet on the banks of the great grey green greasy Limpopo river? So, who did the elephant's child meet to the banks of the great grey green greasy Limpopo river, children? He met the crocodile. Elephant's child met the crocodile. So we have to answer this question in one word or one sentence. So who did the elephant's child meet on the banks of the great green greasy Limpopo river, children? The elephant's child met the crocodile on the banks of the great green greasy Limpopo river. This question is from the lesson The Elephant's Child. So sixth question now. What did the elephant's child ask his uncle, the giraffe? So what was the question asked by the elephant's child to the giraffe, children? He asked, what made his skin so spotty? So what was the question asked by the elephant's child to the giraffe, children? What made his skin so spotty? When he asked this question, what did the giraffe do? He span with his hard hoof. This is about answering one word or one sentence. We have taken only 6 question answers. So, if you go also contained hope, which was a tiny creature. Not only the ugly creatures, it also contained a tiny creature called hope. So the next question is, what did the Kolo Kolo bird tell the elephant's child to do? What the Kolo Kolo bird told the elephant's child? The Kolo Kolo bird told the elephant's child to go to the banks of which river, children? Banks of great green greasy Limpopo river the Kolo Kolo bird told the elephant's child to go to the banks of great green greasy Limpopo river and find out what the crocodile has for dinner. The Kolo Kolo bird told the elephant's child to go to the banks of great green greasy Limpopo river and find out what the crocodile has for dinner. So the next question is, why did the dentist wring his hands and weep in despair? This question is from the poem The Dentist and the Crocodile. Why did the dentist wring his hands and weep in despair? The crocodile, the dentist wrung his hands and wept in despair because the crocodile wanted him to put his head into its mouth. The dentist wrung his hands and wept in despair because the crocodile wanted him, means whom? Dentist, to put his head into its mouth. The fourth question, why did Alice drink up the liquid in the bottle very quickly? Why did she drink up liquid in the bottle very quickly, children? Alice drank up the liquid in the bottle very quickly because it was very nice and also had a mixed flavor of cherry, dark, custard, pineapple, roast turkey, toffee, and a hot buttered toast. So why did Alice drink up the liquid in the bottle very quickly, children? Because it was very nice and also had a mixed flavor of cherry tart, custard, pineapple, roast turkey, toffee, and the hot butter toast. So these are the 4 questions I have taken for the revision. Other questions you have to do by yourself. Let's go to the next bit, children. Now we are going to see about write the negative forms of these positive statements. So the sentence given is a positive statement. We watched the match. simple past tense. So what we are doing, we are using an auxiliary, that is did not. Did not can be written in a short form, that is didn't. So this is a positive statement. To make it negative, we are using didn't. So I'll frame a sentence. We didn't watch the match. So we watched the match. This is a positive statement, but it is in simple past. To make it negative form, we are using the auxiliary didn't. So we didn't watch the match. The next question is, I met this boy last week. To make it in a negative form, what do you do, children? I didn't meet this boy last week. This is a negative form of the positive statement. The third one is, she played the piano. To make it negative, the same thing we are using didn't. So can you frame? She didn't play the piano. This is the negative form of the positive statement, that is she played the piano. She didn't play the piano. The fourth one is, they danced well at the dance competition. So the negative will be, they didn't dance well at the dance competition. So the negative form of this statement, that is they danced well at the dance competition. We are using the auxiliary here. They didn't dance well at the dance competition. The next one is about replace the underlined phrases with the adverbs. Phrases. What do you mean by phrases, children? Group of words. It's a group of words which has some meaning in that. So what do you mean by adverb? Adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of the verb. So the maid comes to our house every day. Every day is a phrase. Every day is a phrase. So this phrase you have to replace with the adverb. So can you answer, children? The maid comes to our house every day. This every day is a phrase changed to adverb. So every day means I'll write it as daily. The maid comes to our house daily. This is the adverb we are using here. Instead of every day, I am making use of the adverb daily. In the same way, I have to do the second one. We did our work without any help. So, without any help is a phrase. Replace it with the adverb. So, which adverb suits here, children? We did our work without any help. Without any help can be written as independently. So, I'll change the sentence. We did our work independently. Independently. Without any help is changed to independently. Next one, can you try, children? There was water all over the place. All over the place can be written as everywhere. There was water. There was water everywhere. So this underlined phrase can be written as replaced with the adverb, that is everywhere. maps. So see here, the word was given maps. So I have used it here. The Atlas book, got a book. Atlas contains 40 maps. The fourth one is trouble. Ria was having trouble with her homework. So the word was trouble, we have used it here. Ria was having trouble with her homework. So in this way you have to make your own sentences, children. So we have covered the 5 topics, that is answer in one word or one sentence, answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences, forming the positive statement. From positive statement you have to convert it into negative form and replacing the phrases with the adverbs. And the 5th one is make your own sentences. These are the 5 topics which we have covered in this session. These questions are from your textbook, that is from the literature part. Sunshine book, all the 5 lessons. All the 5 lessons, question and answers, and the following bits we have discussed. I hope children you understood all the 5 bits. So thank you so much.